Did you know that the first horses are believed to have appeared in America around 1493, brought by Christopher Columbus from Spain? Fast forward to the 1920s, and the horse population in the United States had peaked at approximately 25.3 million, according to USDA statistics. As of June 2022, the current horse population in the country is about 9.2 million, with approximately 459,000 licensed horse farms of various sizes. But how do farm owners manage this vast herd of livestock? Let's delve deeper into the topic. The breeding season for horses typically occurs in spring and summer, especially from April to July, applicable to both wild and domesticated horses. The gestation period for a female horse ranges from 325 to 335 days. Did you know that each newborn foal weighs approximately 110 lbs on average and can stand up almost immediately after birth? Texas boasts the highest number of horses, with 939,000, followed by California with 650,000 and Florida with 55,000. After birth, foals spend about 3 days on the farm with their mothers before being released into the pasture to roam freely. Take a look at this herd of horses in Nevada. Every morning they're released into the pasture under the ranch owner's supervision to feed freely. Currently, in Nevada, there are approximately 78,000 horses raised on over 3,000 farms of various sizes. Their food is very simple, mainly grass, but when fresh food sources are limited, they're provided with dry food. Ensuring the safety of the horse herd is crucial, as dangers can arise not only from wild animals like wolves, but also from natural hazards such as swampy areas. Did you know that the Mustang is the most widely raised horse breed in the United States, constituting about 63% of the total wild horse population in the country? Take a journey to a horse farm in Denton County, Texas. In the evening, the cowboys lead the herd of horses into a fenced area to rest and avoid attacks from wild animals. Denton County has the highest concentration of horses in Texas, with 372 farms and over 300,000 horses. In northwest Colorado, witness the annual movement process of a large herd of horses. At the end of April, local cowboys drive approximately 2,000 horses to different pasture areas for grazing. Currently, there are about 256,000 horses in Colorado, with a wild horse population of around 1,150. Horses are considered fully mature when they reach 3 years old, and the average lifespan of this species is around 23 years. Most adult horses will be sold to racers, where they can demonstrate their ability to run fast and powerfully in equestrian events. Additionally, some horses are trained by cowboys to participate in herd pursuit activities, helping them manage and control herds in large areas. While the United States imposes a policy banning horse slaughter for ethical reasons and animal welfare concerns, several other countries continue these practices without restrictions. In some countries such as China, Vietnam, Italy, and Kazakhstan, this situation still occurs regularly. Exploring the ethical considerations surrounding the sedation and control phase of horses before slaughter is crucial. Many processing plants employ methods to render horses unconscious before slaughter, aiming to minimize pain and stress during their final moments. Common methods of sedation involve tranquilizers or specialized equipment, administered by experienced professionals to ensure the horse's comfort. However, not all slaughterhouses prioritize humane concerns, leading to horrifying conditions for horses in illicit facilities. Do you believe these slaughterhouses deserve condemnation? If you agree, please leave A1 in the comments below. China leads horse meat production globally, producing 2,452 tons or 4,409,660 lbs, constituting about 26% of the total output. But why is horse meat so popular? Research shows it often has less fat and more protein than beef, with lower cholesterol levels, making it a healthier option. Additionally, horse meat provides essential minerals like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. The process begins by making precise cuts around body parts like the legs and head, followed by the removal of the skin. Skinning requires a blend of manual skill and machine assistance to ensure efficient and clean removal. Subsequently, horse meat is meticulously divided into various parts such as fillets, thighs, legs, bone marrow, and more. This meticulous process demands high precision to ensure uniform dimensions and shapes, enhancing the processing and presentation of the product. Each portion is categorized based on quality and type to serve diverse purposes, ranging from everyday cooking to upscale restaurant dishes. Moreover, besides its meat, horsehide serves as a vital material in the fashion industry. particularly in crafting handmade leather products. Initially, the horsehide undergoes a thorough cleaning process to remove hair, achieved either by soaking it in a solution containing mild chemicals or using specialized machinery. After cleaning, the hides are soaked in a preservative solution, a procedure lasting several hours or days, depending on their size and thickness. During this time, the hides absorb chemicals, rendering the leather soft and manageable. Subsequently, these leather workshops generate substantial profits for businesses and create employment opportunities. Following the cleaning and preparation of horsehide, the tanning process commences. This stage involves the removal of excess fats and proteins, achieved through the use of chemicals such as sulfide and enzymes to break down unnecessary proteins. The final crucial step involves quality checking and cutting the leather, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards for specific applications. Leather quality assessment focuses on softness and elasticity, indicators of effective processing and tanning. In the fashion industry, products crafted from animal leather hold significant value. Horsehide, renowned for its durability and flexibility, contributes to the creation of quality and comfortable footwear. Natural leather offers excellent water resistance and breathability, delivering comfort to the wearer's feet. Additionally, leather imbues products with a touch of luxury and sophistication. Welcome to our channel. Meet the dedicated individuals behind its management, video editing, and content creation. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of various topics and explore the fascinating world around us.